4 or 5 of them just using where my tape is right here. Just simple this part. A lot of you asking. And it just as simply as you just get, I don't think it's a toothpick though. It's just longer, like something is for your cocktail. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just simply tape it like that. You can tape many as you want. Make sure they're straight and just tape it. And you can create like so many easy to, all right. You can do 3, you can do 2, you can do 4, 5, 6, 7, however you want. I'm gonna start with the Weaver gels in a bright yellows. I'm loving this colors. It's bringing a lot of cool, it's like a vibrance vibes. So pick really thin if you want those to look thin. It's really cool and sticky right there. There you go. It's like hello. There you go. I want it to separate. Okay. And then over in this side. You can go more than just 2 times. I just do 2. You can do more than that. All right, here for us, really quick 60 seconds. And then we are going to top coat it with no wet top coat. So I did this is the background is the color gel polish number 5. All right, here for 30 seconds only because we're going to using 40 gel. So here's really simple nails. Really simple nails. I'm gonna move it closer so you can see the details of the flowers. You can have a choice of honest brows and then get it darker, or you can do crystals. You don't have to do on the centers like that. I use the cacaos, just the colors a little bit lighter for that looks. But you can see up close the petals right here from using a 40 gel. So save you so much time and so much trouble from worry about it's gonna set even before you finish your sculpting your flowers. And then we're gonna go into the funky colors, which is like have a really cool purple. And then let's do some. So which you want to see random flowers? You want to see the roses. Rose in a darker color, so that's cool too. Rose, or I'm gonna wait for you all to vote. Rose or random flowers. Flowers. Rose. All right. Rose to make it different. Random flower. Okay, so everybody's one of flowers are doing is really simple flowers. Really simple. And I'm gonna show you. So we need 6 petals for this designs as well. I'm gonna do 2 petals first with biggers. And they are across from each other. Press it and release, press and release. And then just right in the center, you're gonna pull and draw right in the center. And then two petals gonna be is opposite from each other. You think the darker purples will be really dark? Actually, it's really beautiful though. It's really a nice contrast for the background. Even the background is really nice and bright. And then blend here. The reason is you blended it because then later you're always gonna do another layer of the petals here. So best things about is the 4D gels, because I just spread it. You can put it back in. It looks really dark on the camera though, but actually it looks really good on my end. It's like not too dark. All right, I am going to flash key it first and then go back with another layer. All right, just 10 seconds. And I'm gonna do 4 more. Thank you, Jenny. And then I'm gonna do another. Keep in mind that if your beads, you feel like it's too small or too little or too big, you can always adjusting it. You can always get it smaller. I have both of this. Thank you, Jenny. All right. And I'm gonna start from one bead. Doesn't matter what beads you are going to do. You're gonna do it on both of them, or spread it on the side. All right, sorry. It looks really dark in under camera though, or just me. Maybe I look up in the camera. But it looks so beautiful on my end. Like I have a purple. So you're gonna press it right in the center and then drag it a little bit down. Really cool though. You can do with any colors with the 4D gel. You can do white, you can do a pure white, you can do solid, you can do this color is funky. You can do cheeky, you can do blushing, a light blush. You can do with sweet orange, anything. You can see that you have all the time in the world to really like adjusting it. And you don't have to do really aggressive, just really gentle with that. Drags it on the end. You can see that just using the tips. And you can sculpting that end. You know what? I'm gonna take advantage from this one. It's still ready and it's still wet now. I am gonna place cute crystal on it. Excuse me. Can you take that one? I'm gonna get the should get that one. Perfect short.